Here's the amplifier after the heavy duty degreasing I gave it. Transformer hopefully will forgive me. Let it dry out. I tried not to degrease this thing because I could ruin the enamel, the RF choke there. But it's a lot cleaner than it was. This thing was filthy. I think the guy lived in a pigsty or something. I don't know why things get so filthy, but this is at least now acceptable. Of course, I could have ruined things in it, but let it sit for a week and dry out and see how it goes. I sure don't like that transformer getting wet down there, but cleaned all the crud out of this thing, so at least now I can work on it without getting my fingers all dirty with nicotine and crud. Of course, I wiped out the label there. I should have peeled it off. It's a lot better than it was. It was filthy. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day. This stuff works.